Lightning 3-1, guidance systems are back online. Standing by with a full payload of JDAMs, requesting clearance.
Lightning 3-1, you are cleared to engage.
Bring in the hard deck, DOT 5 seconds. Weapons away.
Verify initial strikes on the Predator feed.
Sir, it appears all sites have been neutralized.
Good work, Sandman. We've regained air dominance over Manhattan and pushed the front line back to the river.
What's our next target?
The Russian command vessel is an Oscar II submarine carrying enough cruise missiles to level the eastern seaboard. We need to strike fast before they can launch a counterattack.
Roger, what's the mission?
Infiltrate the vessel, take over the bridge, then turn their weapons against their own fleet. I need you to link up with the SEALs and get it done. Good luck.
Get up, boys. Where's our infill point? Brooklyn Battery Tunnel.
I thought it collapsed.
It did.
Position.
STV, Team 4, this is Metal 01. Radio checking the blind, over.
Roger, 01. We have you 5x5. Phase line echo secure. We have execute authority.
We're 1 minute out.
Copy that. Just don't start the party without us.
Almost through. Primary entry point is open. Stay tight. Easy to get separated down here.
Damn. Think anyone got out?
Nothing we can do for them now. Maintain 295 degrees. 300 meters to link up.
Metal 01, got you on the tracker.
Roger, approaching rendezvous.
SEAL team should be up ahead. I see them. Sub's on the move. Intercept window is closing fast.
Roger that. Lead the way.
Watch your sonar. Russians are laying mines.
Eyes on your sonar.
Mine.
Keep it steady.
Right.
Got another mine. Clear. Power down. Here we go.
Target approaching. Oscar 2, 8 o'clock. Steady.
Wait till she passes. Okay, go. Get in position.
Planting.
Frost, plant the mine on the sub. Mine's armed. Clear out.
Good job. We'll prep the exfil.
Going explosive. Hit it. Overlord, this is Metal 01. Sub is surfacing. Commencing assault.
Roger 01, continue to primary objective. We need control of the sub's missiles.
In position.
Hatch opening! Contact coming out of the hatch! Frag out! Clear, head down. That's good. We'll hold topside. All right, Frost. Sweeping clear. All unknowns are hostile. Rendezvous downstairs. Stairs clear. They're going to scuttle the sub. We gotta move now. Cross, take point. We have to get to the bridge. Hold position at the door. Okay, put a kicker charge on the door. Area secure. All right, I got the launch keys. Overlord, this is mw3. I send checkpoint Neptune, over.
Roger 01. Copy Neptune.
I have the missile key, and I'm accessing the launch codes now.
Grid coordinates follow. Tango, Whiskey 056628.
Coordinates confirmed. Firing on Russian fleet in 30 seconds. Frost, get on the console. Three, two, one, turn. Overlord, missiles armed and launching.
Roger. SEAL team is in position for exfil.
Go, go! Bridge truck, let's roll! Amen to that! Frost, punch it! This is launching! Keep up with that Zodiac! Done it! All Eagles accounted for.
Roger, Metal 01. Missile strikes confirmed on multiple Russian hard targets in your AO. All primary threats neutralized. Good work, team. That's one for the books.
Easy day, Overlord. Sandman out.